Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart for a second time at St. Peter Catholic School in Lorain, Ohio, home of the Chargers. And it was a beautiful day getting to share my heart with the K through 8th graders. The main focus today was all on diversity, all about our differences, that we appreciate everyone around us just like Christ appreciates all of us and really sees us for who we are in our hearts. And like the shirt has, the shirt design, need human kindness with the peace sign in the middle, we think about the Prince of Peace, right? That he's in all of our hearts. And so when we show this kindness, it's not just to the least of our brothers and sisters like it talks about in Matthew 25, but we're actually showing kindness to God, because he's in everybody around us. So we have to really choose to show that unconditional love, see the worth in ourselves and in others around us. We talked about the M again on the lines of our hand, on the palm of each of our hands, the letter M for miracle, and upside down W for worthy, that in Isaiah 49 it says, I have engraved you on the palm of my hands. And this is the proof, God's proof. So we never should forget that, our worth and our value in God's eyes, made in his image and likeness. And once we really start to understand that, now we go out and show this kindness to the world, this needed kindness, and we lift up others higher than ourselves. We talked about altruistic behavior, and this means that we raise up people, we build them up instead of tear them back down. And it's so important to show this kindness, because it's not just me being kind to someone else right next to me and showing them that love, but it's everybody else that sees that same act of kindness or hears that positivity. It's affecting their heart too, and hopefully changing their heart for the better. So really think about ways that you can lift someone up higher than yourself. Whatever you're thinking, comment below in the video here ways that you can raise up someone higher than yourself. And as always, don't forget to subscribe by clicking the link that's going to pop up on the screen right here, along with watching other videos on my journey across this country, healing America's heart, one school at a time. And don't forget to check out the website too, and hit the notification bell to stay updated for future videos and things that we're doing to really bring peace. Much love. Peace.